Take a comfortable seat. Allow your spine to feel gently tall, shoulders soft, hands resting easily. If it feels right, close your eyes or soften your gaze. Begin by taking one slow breath in and a slow breath out. Today, we are not just thinking about gratitude, we are feeling into it. There is a difference. Gratitude is not a checklist, it is an emotion, a frequency, an energy that shifts your state. If you ever find it difficult to access gratitude, I gently invite you to consider reading The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. For now, we begin simply. Gratitude might be for your health. For me, I often associate health with a white healing light. You may choose your own color. Notice what color feels like health to you. Imagine it surrounding you now. Or perhaps your gratitude is for your current job or business, the income it provides, the opportunities it creates, the growth it brings. For me, this area of life I associate with the color green, or time away from work, with family, friends, moments of laughter and connection. Or perhaps simply gratitude for all that is, for being here, breathing, alive. There is no right answer, only what feels real for you. Now take the time to think of your first gratitude. Don't analyze it, feel it, see it, sense it. Notice where it lives in your body, and as you hold it in your awareness, breathe in and breathe out. Allow the emotion to deepen slightly. Now gently bring to mind your second gratitude. Again, feel it. Perhaps associate it with a color. Let that color expand softly around you. Breathe in and breathe out. Let appreciation settle into your body. Now your third gratitude. What comes naturally? Hold it gently, breathe in and breathe out. Allow yourself to fully experience the emotion, even if only for a few seconds. Stay here for as long as you wish. You may add more gratitudes as they come to mind, or simply rest in the ones you've already expressed. Notice how your body feels. Notice the subtle shift in your energy. Gratitude softens the mind. Gratitude strengthens perspective. Gratitude expands possibility. When you are ready, gently return to your natural breath. Allow a gentle smile to move across your face. And whenever it feels right, open your eyes. Enjoy your day.